Welcome to this KDE Tips and Tricks screencast. Some people asked me, how can I place a trash can on my KDE desktop? There are two simple ways. One very easy way and one a little bit complicated way to add a trash can to your desktop. The first one applies if you have a normal KDE Plasma desktop without the folder view running in full screen, just like I do here. Just go to your cache view on the top right corner, normally located. Click on it, click on Add Widgets, and then you have the option to add some widgets, and one widget is called Trashcan. And here we have it. Just drag and drop it on your desktop, and as you can see, I have now a widget called Trash on my desktop. But as you can see, it's a single widget, so it does not integrate with the folder view running in full screen here in my classic KDE desktop, basically. So if you want to have an item which simply runs in the folder view, you can do so also, but you need to do this with a little trick, and I will show you how to do this. So let me first remove this widget here. Just right click in your folder view, click on Create New, click on Text File, and we will create a new text file called trash.desktop. This will create this trash.desktop file. As you can see here, it gets a little weird icon here. It does not matter. Just click right click on it, click on Open With, and click on KWrite if you have it installed or your favorite editor. And then you need to paste in some, just ignore these warnings here. You need to paste in some text lines. These text lines basically make this file a special file that will be handled by the KDE desktop, just like if it is or was a trash can. So you have the option here, first of all, to give it a comment. So if you hover over it, it will have a comment, not displaying trash can or something like this, just like here the Moon Software Center. Contains removed files. I think this is a good comment. You have then the option to set an empty icon. So if the trash can is empty, normally you would have an icon then that indicates that the trash can isn't full. You can set an encoding for the trash can itself. I'll leave it to UTF-8. You can set an icon. In this case, it should be the icon which is the icon that the trash can has when it is full. So I set it to trash can full here. I can give it a name, in this case trash. Also notice if you have different languages and you want to create a file for different people with different languages, you can use the normal desktop specifications just like this. The language code in this case, it's German DE, and I can then insert here my translation. I can do this for various other languages as well. You only need the 2-digit language identification, basically. Then the type, in this case it's a link, because we are linking to the URL called trash. Then just hit save, and a few seconds later you can see that it just created this updated this little file, and it now says trash and has a nice little icon. But as you can see here, KWrite automatically also created a backup file called trash.desktop and this tilde. So now we can check out if our trash can is fully working just by removing this backup file. Right click, move to trash, and a few seconds later, hopefully the icon will update. Refresh the desktop. It does not update, I don't know why. It worked for seconds ago. As you can see here, I have 2 files inserted here. At least you have the option to right click and then click empty trash bin, or configure the trash can even. I don't know why it isn't displaying the trash can full icon. At least you have the option to empty the trash bin. And if I empty it now, you can see that there isn't anything in here. So this is basically this screencast, everything for this screencast. I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, thanks for watching.